Creating stress reports in ROHR2 is a breeze. The report creation in ROHR2 is driven by a template. First, you have to select which template you want to use by clicking on Documentation and then on Select Report Template. You can choose a template that comes standard with ROHR2, or you can create your own. Next, you click on Create Report, and that's all there is to it. Let me explain to you the concept behind this very powerful tool, and then I'll show you how to create and edit the template in ROHR2. To understand the concept behind creating finished reports so seamlessly, I'm showing you a portion of a template and the corresponding report that is created when you click Create Report. There are two types of data in a stress report: data that does change from analysis to analysis, and data that does not change. Some examples of data that would typically not change is your logo and other text as circled here. Even this type of data is no problem to change at any time, in the template or in the final report. Multiple templates are also an option. In this first bullet point, the words at the beginning of the sentence will not change. But the code governing the analysis could change, and therefore it is represented by the link text. The report generator takes this information from the current analysis, in this case ASME B313, and inserts it into the report. The link can even be in the middle of a sentence. The next bullet point also has some descriptive text that would typically not change. This table is created by this link text. A plot or graphic can be inserted, as is the case with this link text resulting in this graphic. Well, you might be wondering how difficult it is to create links or what links are available. To answer those questions, let me open ROHR2 and show you how easy it is to create this very portion of the report from scratch. I'm going to display ROHR2 on only half the screen so we can see the template on the other half. Next, I'll click on Documentation and Edit Report Template. This opens two windows, the report template and this window from which we'll pick our content and which will create the links we want. Let me populate the project and system fields in the header by inserting the proper links from ROHR2. This data is part of the model file when you save it. To check the text that is currently in the project field, we can click on it and choose Display. The project description is arbitrarily called XYZ Processing Plant. Similarly, the system is Feed Water Pumps to Preheater. By hitting the Copy button, a link is copied to the Edit Paste buffer. This link text is simply pasted into the template document where you want it to appear. We'll do the same for the system text. Now, we save the template and can have a look how our report is coming along by creating it here. The project and system links have now been populated in the header as well as on the title page here, where I had the same links. Let me jump to the page where we made the changes. We can close this report and continue to edit the template. This field gives the code to which the analysis was made. Again, we can check it by hitting Display. Let's copy it to the template. All the information you could possibly want in your report can be generated by links available here. So far, I've shown you simple text links, but there are lots of tables that are available for use in the report, such as a load case table, or which global loads were used in which load case. The table's fonts, column headers, column widths, and whether you even want to show that column are all customizable here, although the tables as listed here are very well thought out. From the Results section, I will insert the table under the Stress Analysis section called Max Stress Utilization, Summary of All Equations. Then, from the Graphics section, I'll copy the link for the saved view, Highest Expansion Stresses. The video entitled Graphical User Interface introduces you to how views are created and saved. Even though there are templates provided with ROHR2, I hope you've been able to see that creating your own template is easy and intuitive. Afterwards, generating a custom report is just one click away. Thanks for watching.